Hey, want to get away? Let's give you a live look outside of LaGuardia Airport right now. And according to the TSA, today is forecast to be the busiest day of the airline travel in U.S. history. A record number of people are expected to board flights ahead of the 4th of July holiday. Won't get that whole weekend. TSA is expected to screen over 3 million passengers, which would break Sunday's all-time record of 2.9 million.
So where are we going, David?
You know, wherever you like.
Give me your credit card.
Yeah, we'll book it.
And exactly.
This sounds so familiar to me.
I am telling you, when that 3 millionth passenger goes through TSA today,
Just something happened? Something special, right?
There isn't confetti,
You're
and
right.
there isn't a marching band. I'm
Right.
really so disappointed.
Be disappointed.
You know what? We have vacation-like weather here today. That's
Yeah,
for sure.
you don't need to go anywhere. All you need to do is grab your sunglasses, and not just because of the bright colors coming from this side of the desk today. Sandra and I were on the same wavelength when we got
We're twins. Can't you tell?
On a bright morning like this,
I like it. They go, hey, here's an example.
Yeah.
David is shielding his eyes. Okay, now we'll get to weather. It is a beautiful Friday. I'm so excited about this forecast because this time of year, when we get to late June, if you can talk about a day with low humidity, I'm going to talk about it. And that's what we have going on today. Air quality is good, temperature in a really comfortable spot, and a lot of sunshine out there. Mid-70s for the majority of the 5 rows. 4 of the 5. At least, that ain't bad. Fordham right now is 69 degrees, 74 for Bensonhurst, 77 in Gravesend. So temperatures today do stay just a touch below the seasonal average. But if you're going to be below normal, this is a really good spot to stay. Right now, mid-70s for most. 75 in Newark. A little cooler down the shore. Belmar at 71. Islip at 72. 68 still for Bridgeport. But this is the star of the show. That dew point that it's in the 30s and 40s, which means it's very dry. The air feels refreshing, almost that crisp quality to it as you step out. And that keeps us really pleasant and comfortable, especially when it's combined with sunny skies and temperatures in the 70s. So high pressure and control the forecast today. Just where it's centered, it's sending around a north-northeast wind still. That's keeping us dry today. But that wind direction does shift as this area of high pressure starts to shift, which will allow for more humid air to start moving in late tonight and first thing tomorrow morning. So by the time you wake up tomorrow, it's already feeling different out there. But for today, mid to upper 70s, a mostly sunny sky, dry levels of humidity, just fantastic. No issues for Friday night plans either. Maybe a high cloud or two mixing in throughout the day. Temperatures stay comfortable through dinner time tonight. If you have dinner plans 7, 8 o'clock, expect upper 60s, low 70s with a mostly clear sky. Our overnight lows will fall to the 50s and 60s, but again, we're already feeling different because that wind direction shifts out of the south. It pumps in the humidity as clouds increase after about midnight. So we wake up to an uptick in humidity tomorrow morning and a mostly cloudy sky. Heading into the afternoon, our highs land in a similar spot to today, just in the upper 70s, low 80s, but it feels different tomorrow because it is a little more humid out there. And there's enough moisture to work with. We can't rule out the possibility of a stray shower here or there. Nothing widespread or consistent for your Saturday, but it's something we're watching. Late Saturday night into first thing Sunday morning, that's when the thunderstorm threat moves in. It's also feeling steamier on Sunday. Temperatures are warmer. It's much more humid. And with this threat for thunderstorm activity, it's something to watch. Looks like we get around first thing in the morning, maybe a little bit of an afternoon lull, and then another round Sunday afternoon and evening. This one could bring in the stronger storms that do bring us that severe weather threat. We're talking heavy downpours that can lead to flooding, gusty wind, hail, lightning. That's all in play Sunday afternoon and evening. So we're watching that closely. We're also watching the humidity because although today is refreshing, it is a quick climb back to that more uncomfortable place. Even tomorrow, you're going to notice the humidity. By Sunday, it's in that oppressive range. Behind the round of storms on Sunday, we get back to a more comfortable place in terms of humidity, but both Saturday and Sunday are looking a little steamier. Today, however, just right. We're in that sweet spot with highs in the mid to upper 70s, the sunshine, the low humidity. So a gorgeous Friday forecast to take advantage of. Tonight is quiet, but we will get that increasing cloud cover and the increasing humidity. So tomorrow is more humid, more clouds, a breezy wind, a spot shower can't be ruled out, and then steamy and stormy on Sunday. We're watching that for the Pride March. I know that's an important forecast, so stick with us this weekend, and we'll have the exact hour by hour as the timing irons out.
You're tracking that muggy meter.
Yeah.
No, it's not my favorite graphic to use, but on a day like today, I'll
Right, it works.
Yeah.
Thanks, Janet. Still ahead on Eyewitness News at noon, the new guidance from the CDC this afternoon on the updated COVID-19 vaccine.
And the MTA shutting down parts of the G train line this weekend. Which stops will be impacted and what your alternate options will be.